Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to design a 3D mockup book cover in Canva. So here I am in my Canva dashboard, and for example, I'll create a blank presentation right here. And then we have our Canva editor right here. And in order to create your 3D mockup book cover, you can just go ahead, go here to design and type in here, book mockup. Let's, let's correct the spelling, book mockup. And then if you can see it here, let's go to elements, then type in here, book mockup. Then we should see our mockups right here. So click see all, and then we have a bunch of different mockups right here. And then we can search for book cover so that we can have a more specific graphic. So for example, we can have a video mockup right here. So you can choose different types of video mockups. So we can choose that, for example. And then in order to insert the mockup image, we can just drag and drop our image right here. So for example, I'll go to uploads and then I will upload my book cover right here. So we'll wait for it to finish uploading. So let's try again. So we have our book cover right here. Then what we're going to do is that we're going to drag it to our video right here. So we should see the image applied to our video mockup of the book. So we'll just wait for it to finish loading. And then as you can see, the image is now applied to our video mockup book cover. Then we can double click on it so that we can adjust the look of the image. So we can choose fit right here, or you can also change the alignment right here, or you can also flip the image vertically or horizontally. And then let's click apply changes so we can see the changes to the mockup right here after it has finished loading. Now that it is finished loading, we can see the full image right here on our video 3D mockup book cover. And then we can create a new page right here, and then we can also find other mockups right here. So let's just scroll down until we find a image right here. So for example, this is a 3D mockup book cover that is an image. So for example, I want to choose this one. We can just click on it. It will be added here to our Canva slide. Then we can go ahead, do the same thing, just drag and drop right here to our mockup book cover. And then we can see the image right here. Then we can fit it. Then click apply. Then we have our 3D mockup book cover right here. And then that is it. That is how we can create a 3D mockup book cover in Canva. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.